Lezi indaba zohora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bukele nazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
Lezimpi zabo abayilwayo from le emgodini then beyithathe bebuya bezokulwa la ngaphakathi ngoba bahlala khona.
Kushona abantu abayi12 kwalimala nabanye esigamekweni sokudubula esenzeke eCleveland eGoli. Lesigameko kusolwa ukuthi simayelana nodlame lwamaqembu amba ngokungemthetho.
Major General Rode should have opened a case or an inquiry docket to ensure that such was considered instead of conducting an informal investigation.
Amalungu eParliament asele nemibuzo eminingi kuneyimpendulo ngemva kokuthi iSAPS kanye neIP bethule umbiko phambi kwekomiti laseParliament elibhekela amaphoyisa mayelana nophenyo lokuqekezwa eplazini likaMengameli wezwe iPhalaphala.
Sithole insolo eziningi ezithinta inkohlakalo ezibandakanya abantu abasebenza khona emkhandlweni.
Amalungu eqembu le-MK Party eholwa ngunobhala jikelele uSibonelo Nomvalo kanye nezinhlangano zomphakathi ezahlukene amashele emahhovisi omkhandlu wethu ukekhala ngokwehluleka kwalo masipala okuhlinzeka izakhamuzi ngeinsiza zikahulumeni.
Our home team coming back after 16 years, a rematch. We're as excited.
And you can see how much love Bafana Bafana has been given.
Kanti uMasipala kwezemidlalo iBafana Bafana yemukelwe njengamaqhawe eMexico City ngaphambi komdlalo wayo neqembu lasekhaya eMexico emidlalweni wokuvula umqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba kusasa ebusuku. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezingonqa phambili kanti futhi ezihamba phambili ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo naku-SABC le high igama lami nginguDawud Phungula mbukela ke singene kuzo ezihamba phambili emini nje. Mbukeli siqala ngo-WT kudlule emhlabeni abayi12 emjondele yaseJampers eCleveland eGoli kulandela isigameko sokudubula. Amaphoyisa athi izolo ebusuku ukugasela abantu abebehamba ngetekisi yohlobo lweCantam bafike bavala izintuba basebedubula. Kanti abayi10 nomuva basale enkundleni kwathi oyedwa washonela esibhedlela. Kanti ke njengamanje sizoxhumana ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba zeSABC esimkantshubovu uCalvin Dludla. Acebisa asikubingelele sikwamukele ezindabeni zasemini besacela nje sichazele ngokwenzeka kulesi sigameko. Nalokuthi ngabe ke athini amaphoyisa mayelana nalo lolu daba.
Asibingelele kuwe Mfoka Phungula, sibingelele nombukeli wendaba zeSABC esekhaya. Sila eCleveland emjondolo iJampers kanti esesikutholile ukuthi ke bayi12 abantu ke abashonile esigamekweni esenzeke izolo kuthiwa kuvele kwaqhamuka itekisi leli lohlobo lweQuantum kuthiwa beliqukethe noma beligcoleke insizwa ngaphakathi. Kuthe mangabe kufika la le insizwa kuthiwa zaphuma amaphoyisa athi noma engenaso isibalo esiphelele kodwa le insizwa beziphakathi ibalele 10 ngoba ithe mangabe iphuma zahlakazeka zayovala intuba zalendawo kwavalwa eyokuphuma kwavala eyokungena aseke edumisa izulu lezandla kwashona ke abantu abayi12 kodwa ke ngaleso sikhathi kwenzeka Dawud ebusuku bekusashone abantu abayi10 nomuvo 11 oyedwa wabo uthathiwe wasiwe esibhedlela washonela khona. Ukukhumbula sikhulume no Lieutenant General Chomi Mthombeni okuyena mkhuzi wamaphoyisa washo ukuthi nesibalo salabo abalimele sesenyukile sisuka kusishagalolunye sebeyi10 abantu sebelimele kanti ke uthi uzozama ukuthi axhumane nabaseyibhedlela nanomnyango wezempilo ukuthi kwaziwe ukuthi ngabe isimo sinjani. Kodwa njengamanje ngizokwethula ke omunye ojwayele ukumbona uma ngabe ke kunemkhankaso le esuke ke iqukethe izinkinga zomphakathi uZandile wakaDubulo kuyena naye usekhona la ohamba ke nabantu bakhe bazobheka la ukuthi ke isimo sinjani. Sekubingelele sikwamukele endabeni zosuku ngaphandle kokufaka ipolitiki kanye nezinye izinto ezithinta ukhetho nezombusazwe. Ungachazela ukuthi yini ekulethe la?
So mangithola i-call ngibizwe la because of kuthiwa indawo egcwele abantu bokufika le and manje balwa bodwa because that's into abayisuspectayo ukuthi belwa bodwa because indawo le idominate ngabantu aba involved ku illegal mining. And I mean into esasihlala sikhuluma ukuthi ugovernment wethu if angeke aze acombat i-crime izinto esohlangana nazo lezi abantu bayashona on a daily basis and you know unlike kwamanye ama province you look at KZN ama-commissioner wakhona wamaphoyisa bazama ukuyilwisa i-crime kodwa la thina sikuboni lokho la eGauteng. So the reason why ngibizwe la ukuthi awuze uzo-check-a ukuthi kuyenzakalani la, indawo le supposed to be for temporarily accommodation kodwa nje abantu abagcwele la kugcwele abantu bokufika, and because ke siloku sisemgwaqweni vele iplan yethu kwakukuthi vele sizofika namhlanje ngoba bakhala ngokuthi abantu abazongena lapho kuleza indawo kuzobe kwabantu bangaphandle, so besifuna ukuzenza oversight la, but unfortunately asakwazi ukuyenza because of incident eyenzekile. Kodwa nje would like to say i-government mayenze something ngabantu bokufika because manje sebelwela ispace ezweni lethu, it cannot be correct.
Mhlambe njengomuntu oseze wangena einhlakeni ezithile zokubusa kwezwe nizokwazi ukuhambela imindeni mhlambe niyoyizimazisa
ukuthi asikabi sure ukuthi imindeni le eshonelwe, I mean akekho umuntu odeserve ukushona kodwa asazi ukuthi imindeni yakhona iqhamuka sisamele ukuthola leyo information because we know ukuthi some of them abantu bangaphandle, noma umuntu seshonile they still human, kodwa nje esikushoyo ukuthi abantu mabangazi ukuzofika la eCountry nethu bafike bamoshe bafike bacommit icrime bese sebabulalana ngokwabo. But condolences kuma abantu abaluze abantu babo kuma families because babantu nabo, kodwa nje le ndawo le amaphoyisa kuzomela ayibheke isise kahle because kuyakhalwa futhi ngikhulume ne-CPF la iyasho ukuthi kune police station ngala kodwa imoto amavan wamaphoyisa ayafrequenta la because of kunabantu abayenza illegal mining. That's where the money is la, so they must stop.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga nathi.
Lokho embukelo wendaba ze-SABC uZandile wakadubula uzomkhumbula uke wahola elinye iqembu elibizwa ngokuthi ke i-Operation Dudula kade khona ke noma usekhona la kule ndawo njengoba esho ukuthi basazama ukubheka umonakalo nana ngendlela ke abalekelela ngayo, kanti sizwile ukuthi kungenzeka kube nanesithanga msabezindaba esizobizwa ukuze sizocaciselwa kabanzi ngokuqhubekayo, kodwa Dawudi angithathe intambo ngiyibuyisele kuye Auckland Park eGoli.
Sibonga kakhulu icebisa mbukelo yena kintatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uCalvin Dludla isibekela bukhoma ese-Cleveland khona la esifundazweni Gauteng. Amalungu eqembu le-MK Party ehola nguNobhala Jikelele uSibonelo Nomvalo kanye nezinhlangano zomphakathi ezahlukene amashele emahhovisi omkhandlu wethu ke ekhala ngokwehluleka kwalomasipala ukuhlinzeka izakhamuzi ngeyinsiza zikahulumeni.
Le mashi isuke eCarrisfontein ibheke emahhovisi omkhandlu eThekwini lapho kuzokwethula khona izincwadi nohlu lwezikhalazo nezimfuno kubaphathi bakamasipala. Phansi kwezinye isikhalazo kukhala ngokwenyuswa ngokweqile kwentengo ebhekelele izidingo zikamasipala. Oyilungu le-MK Party lePhalamende uVisvin Reddy uthi seyisikhathi sokuthi laba abathinteka kwinkohlakalo bathathelwe izinyathelo.
The purpose of the march is simply to express the dissatisfaction of citizens throughout eThekwini on the state of governance, corruption, maladministration, nepotism that's taking place, that's become endemic of this municipality.
Kamumva ikomiti lasePhalamende libhekelele ukusebenza kwemali yomphakathi licubungule imiphumela yocwaningo mabhuku lwezimali ezisebenziswa umasipala kulandela uphenyo lwe-SIU oluqhubekayo. Unobhala Jikelele we-MK Party uthi umasipala weTheku ngeminye kumele izophendula ngezinsolo zenkohlakalo nokusetshenziswa kwemali ngendlela engafanele.
Sithole izinsolo eziningi ezithinta inkohlakalo ezibandakanya abantu abasebenza khona emkhandlweni. Zokhumbula ukuthi lo mkhandlu ubuye kusishaya umthetho sikazwelonke emavekini adlule, and iziningi izinto ezavezwa amalunga e-MK Party kuSkopa.
Izakhamizi zeTheku nazo zikhona ukuzoqhamisa ukukhulu ukukhathazeka ngendlela okuqashwa ngayo nokuntuleka kwamathuba omsebenzi.
And so today we are standing up as young people, joining together with Umkhonto weSizwe, saying we are tired. People have to be hired. A lot of people are unemployed.
Imashi iyaqhubeka.
Isithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga sibambezeleke ngamahora amabili namhlanje ePitoli ngenxa yokuthi uwitness ayocele ukwenza izichibiyelo kezithile estatementini sakhe sobufakazi esiphambi kwekhomishana. Uwitness aye nowethula kubufakazi endaweni efihlakele izolo utshele ikhomishana ukuba kakakaza axhumane ngqo nosomabhizinisi ogubuzelwe ngamacala uVusumuzi Khedmatlala, kodwa ke namhlanje usedalelwe ukuthi wakwahlala kwaMatlala isikhashana.
Uwitness ayo oqhubeka nobufakazi bakhe esithi ucele umhlangano ophuthumayo nethimba elihola ubufakazi kukhomishana ngenhloso yokushicilela kabusha okunye okusestatementini sakhe nokuholela ekutheni ukuhlala kwekhomishana kuqala esigamenxe eli-11 namhlanje. Ngokwestatemente ke sakhe esesihlelwe kabusha usedalulele isithangami sekhomishana ukuthi uke wahlala iminyaka elinganiselwa kwemibili kwaKate Matlala okubufakazi angazange abuveze izolo.
Yesterday I testified that I do not have a direct relationship with Mr. Matlala and that any communication was facilitated by Captain Zungu. I did not disclose that in 2023 I stayed at Mr. Matlala's family property in Mamelodi for a period of approximately 2 years.
Utshele isithangami sekhomishana ukuthi nalokho wakuthola sekuhambe isikhashana ukuthi umuzi ahlaliswe kuwo yikubo kwaKate Matlala. Eminyakeni emibili ehlala kwaMatlala usamile kwelokuthi wayengakaze enhlobo akhulume ubuso nobuso noKate Matlala.
I did not know at the time whose house it was. I only found out during the course of my stay that the property belonged to Mr. Matlala. At the time, this did not concern me because I knew Mr. Matlala as a businessman. During my stay, I did not meet or talk to Mr. Matlala. This is consistent with what I testified yesterday.
Isithangami sekhomishana kaMadlanga siyaqhubeka njengoma uwitness ayi ehlonywa ngemibuzo eyamene nokubanjwa komthambo wesidakamizwa nangeinsolo zamaphoyisa athile ongenzeka ukuthi asebenza umshosha phansi nezigilamkhuba esiweba ngesidakamizwa.
What I want to know is what
Izisulu zezikhukhula ezakhahlameze indawo yaseMthatha eEastern Cape mhla ziyi-10 kuNhlangulana kwenyaka wedlule zithi uhulumeni wehlulekile ukufeza izithembiso azenza kuzo. Le khukhula zadlula nabantu abangaphezu kwekhulu kanti ukuzwa kabanzi malungana nalo lolu daba ke sixhumana ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC uFundiswa Mhlekude. Fundiswa asikubingelele sikwamukele ezindabeni zehora lokuqala emini. Sicela nje usichazele ukuthi ingabe ke zikhala ngani le izisulu zezikhukhula.
Enkosi Dawude, eyona nto zikhala ngayo kanye akhala ngayo amaxhoba ezizikhukhula kukuba namhla oku asahlala kwindawo ezingakhuselekanga njengoko usazi ukuba abanye umasipala wase-King Sabatha Dalindyebo kunye nowase-OR Tambo bacela amanye amaxhoba ukuba abuyele ezindlini zawo ukuba mhlawumbi izindlu zawo azimkanga nezikhukhula okanye azidilikanga completely. Abanye ke babo bantu baye babuyela kwezo zindlu nabathi ke zingasemlanjeni kwaye zikwindawo eyingozi kakhulu. Ukanti ke njengoba usazi Dawude ukuba kukhona nabanye amaxhoba athi afuduselwa eMaiden Farm nawo ke akhona apha kwaye akhala ngokuba afuduselwe kwindawo engenambane abakabi nawo umbane nangoku kodwa ke bathi noko zikhona isola ezifakwayo ngurhulumente noko yenza kubekho ithemba lonto kubo. Sihambile ke sithetha namaxhoba likhona elilapha phambi kwam njengangoku umnumzana uMajeke kodwa ke uzawusixelela bona ukuba kutheni namhlanje belapha banethemba loba kuza kwenzeka ntoni. Enkosi mnumzana Majeke, ubusithi wena unengxaki yoba urhulumente akenzi into khawuphinde usicacisele ngaloo nto.
Sisifundiswa urhulumente urhuqa unyawo ngolona hlobo. Ngokokucinga kwethu uba I'm not mistaken sasino Mr Ramaphosa upresident, sino premier wephondo Oscar Mabuyane, sino mayor we-KSD uMr Nelani, sino mayor we-OR Tambo uMr Ngqondwana. Kwakuvunyenelwe ngazwilinye okokubana ngaba abantu bakuthi noko isidima somuntu omnyama masibuyele esiqhelweni mabaseyiviswe but ngumnqake uzothi ga kuna namhlanje kusenzima isengamehla ndenyuka. Sisifundiswa masikhumbule okokubana ngaba lamaxhoba imost yawo apha eMaiden Farm baphila ngezibonelelo zikarhulumente. Kuyanyanzeleka kwesasibonelelo sikarhulumente athathe imali yokusa umntana esikolweni. Ngela xesha abanye bebelapha eSlovo, abanye besedikolina, abanye bekwaTrako, so abantwana babo bebezihambela ngenyawo kuye esikolweni. ngoku bajongene noxanduva loba ngaba funeke bebhatele bekhuphe kube ezipokotini ngale mali ingekhoyo. Ubungajonga iparafini liter le parafini ngoku okokubana ngaba yimalini njengoba urhulumente ngabafakelanga umbane kulaa ndawo abasekuyo. And ke ngoku abanye babo kumakhaya wabo bebethe baphulukana nawo ngalateni bebesebenzisa umbane, so ubomi bebuqhubeleka ngeyona ndlela lula.
Okay, namhlanje kukho lo mcimbi uqhubayo apha ngokwibandla laseMthini Evangelical Movement lenza umthandazo likhumbula amaxhoba. Ubusithi wena ukuba ibisenziwa ngurhulumente lento beningazi ukuyizimasa.
No, sisiwam, uba lento ibisenziwa ngurhulumente mandiyiphinde lento. Uba ibisenziwa ngurhulumente wephondo lento besingazoyizimaza ngoba besawubona ukuthi urhulumente uzovuselela nje inhliziyo ezibhlungu ebantwaneni babantu ngoba inhliziyo zabantwana babantu kangazixolise at all. Isizathu esibangela ukuba sibe siyayamkela kusekubeni sinenkolelo ethi ngela xesha bebesonzakala abantwana babantu uThixo bengabalibalanga ebekhona, and ke namhlanje uThixo usekhona.
Enkosi, ngomnye wabahlali ke lo waseDikholini sitsho ke ukuba lenkqubo namhlanje ibithe yabe yenziwa ngurhulumente bebengazi ukumvumela kokuba angene apha emasangweni abonwabanga ngenene yinto ayenzayo urhulumente yokuba angabananzi abantu abangamaxhoba ezizikhukhula. Sibuyisela intambo kwigumbi lendaba.
Sibonga kakhulu mbukeli wena kintatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC ufundiswa Mhlekude esibukela bukhoma esemthatha esifundezweni i-Eastern Cape. Kwamanje mbukela sithi qhu ey'tolo masibuya sizoba nezinye izindaba wena ungayindawo. Mbukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena sikhumbuza ukuthi le ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ngena kuzozicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzosithola ngomtshalo bazo. Amalungu ePhalamende aseleke nemibuzo eminingi kuneyimpendulo ngemva kokuthi SAPS kanye nophiko olubhekela ukuziphatha kwamaphoyisa i-IP bethula umbiko phambi kwekomiti lasePhalamende elibhekela amaphoyisa mayelana nophenyo lokuqekezwa eplazini likamengameli wezwe iPhalaphala.
Uphiko olubhekele ukuziphatha kwamaphoyisa i-IP lutshele amalungu eSkopa ukuthi ngokomthetho iphoyisa uMajor General Wally Rodi kwakufanele aqinisekise ukuvulwa kwecala aphinde aqinisekise ukuthi liphenywa ngendlela efanele.
General Rode conducted himself in an improper, disgraceful and acceptable manner. Conduct unlawful investigation without any case docket or inquiry file registered on case with a case number or a specific police station.
Amalungu ePhalamende asale nemibuzo eminingi kunezimpendulo.
Why have you not instituted criminal charges against Rode? Because surely kidnapping someone, unlawful apprehension of suspects and torture is a criminal offense.
Although the SAPS has now deemed it not to be General Rode's responsibility, does he not have a responsibility to the SAPS to inform them if he knows that a crime has been committed? Because it's just like he just carried on. So who gave him the authority then to investigate this matter independently?
If SAPS failed to find Rode guilty of anything and found that he was not cooperating, I want to ask today, what stops this committee? What stops this committee from subpoenaing Rode here to come and answer to our questions? And I'd like to put that forward that we do that, Chair.
Ukulalelwa kwezethulo kuyaqhubeka.
Others are treated.
Alokhu ngene njalo amazwe enduduzo kulandela ukukhothama kwengonyama yakwaNdebele uMakhosonke wesibili Enoch Mabhena. Le ngonyama ikhothama nje ibisineminyaka engama-65 obudala kanti ibisibuse iminyaka engama-40.
Baqemeke enkulu ingozi abakwamhlanga esifundazweni eMpumalanga kulandela ukukhothama kwengonyama yabo. Ukhulumela umndeni umntwana umbulawa Mabhena uqinisekisile lokho abesethi ulahlekelwe kakhulu umndeni wasebukhosini kanye nesizwe samaNdebele.
His Majesty was not sick or bedridden person. There were no signs that His Majesty was not okay.
Ingonyama uMabhena ibishoshove eqhakambiseni ulwimi lwesiNdebele kanye nosiko lwesizwe. Ikhothama nje bekusekuningi okubhekwe kuyo.
He was the chairperson of the National King Council
appointed at that high level. Quite intelligent, with the wisdom all the time, but at the same time, he understood a number of legislations that govern traditional leaders, govern municipalities, up including the issue of land.
Ingonyama ishiye ngemumva indlovukazi yayo kanye nomndeni wasebukhosini. Imininingwane ngenkonzo yesikhumbuzo kanye nokutshalwa kwayo izomenyezelwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
Ingonyama uMisuzulu kaZolithini inxuse ukuthula nobunye njengoba iNingizimu Afrika ibhekene nengcindezi yabantu bakwamanye amazwe abakuleli ngokungemthetho. Lokhu njengoba abaholi beDemocratic Alliance bevakashele esigodlweni sasebukhosini emashobeni KwaZulu-Natal ukuyocela isibusiso njengoba kusondela ukhetho lohulumeni bendawo.
iDemocratic Alliance ivakashele iNgonyama uMisuzulu kaZolithini ukuyocela isibusiso njengoba leli qembu landisa umkhankaso walo KwaZulu-Natal njengoba kusondela ukhetho. iNgonyama iphinde yathinta nodaba lokulwisana noqheko kwezweni waphinde waphawula ngembhikisho eqhubekayo elwisana nabokufika abangenazo izimvume.
I know this is a difficult time for the country and for everyone. People are worried, people are confused. But I would like to ask, especially because now the DA is here, that even in the DA leadership, let us ask for calm so that we are able to campaign properly. We are going to elections. We need peace and stability in the country, and that we support our president in everything that he does.
iDA ithi ukuzibandakanya nezinhlaka zobuholi bendabuko kuyingxenye ebalulekile yentando yabantu eNingizimu Afrika ikakhulukazi njengoba kusondela ukhetho.
We understand that this is a deeply significant cultural institution that means a great deal to many millions of South Africans. And we conveyed to His Majesty that the best way to honor that the Zulu nation and all of her people is to build a government that works for everyone, that delivers services, that delivers safety, that delivers work opportunities and a growing economy.
uLouis uthi kubalekile kubo kwakhiwa kohulumeni ozosebenzela umphakathi.
Bukelo masibheke kwezemidlalo Bafana yamukelwe njengamaqhawe eMexico City ngaphambi komdlalo wayo neqembu lasekhaya eMexico emidlalweni wokuvula umqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba kusasa ebusuku.
Kuthatha amahora amathathu uthi Bafana ifinyelele hotela lapho izohlala khona enhloko dolobha yaseMexico iMexico City emva kohambo lwayo ngebhasi. Leli qembu lichitha isonto lonke ePachuca emva kokutheleka kwalo ngomsombuluko. iBafana idlale neJamaica emidlalweni womngane ePachuca. Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uGayton McKenzie uchitha isikhathi neqembu ePachuca. Ulindele uthi Bafana imangaza abaningi kumqhudelwano kulonyaka.
I think our people should stop underestimating our team. This is the team that qualified despite having 3 points deducted. Some teams like Nigeria didn't qualify and no points were deducted. But South Africans, Bafana, these boys are going to show the world that when the going gets tough, we get tougher as South Africans.
Abalandeli beBafana nabayithembile ngaphambi komdlalo wakusasa.
Yeah, it's very exciting. I must say, seeing our home team coming back after 16 years, a rematch. We're as excited. It's beautiful. I must say, the Mexican people have been amazing to us.
Look at this. I mean, look at this. I flew 36 hours to be here. And you can see how much love Bafana has been given. In fact, there was a lady in reception who was asking me what's the right way to greet them once they arrived.
Umdlalo wakusasa weBafana neMexico uzoqala ngehora lesishagalolunye ebusuku ngesikhathi salapha eNingizimu Afrika.
Siqhwe idolo sizoba nomhlahlo wesimo sezulu ngayindawo. mbukeli usale kahle.